This is MKJM News. I'm Kim Antoinette Dimaranan and I'm here to state news about a problem worldwide, which is cyberbullying. Interview an expert about cyberbullying.
Good morning, Kim. So I'm here at SND, also known as Sinaktan at Niloko Building, and I'll be interviewing an expert about cyberbullying. Okay, Mom, what is cyberbullying?
Cyberbullying is basically bullying through the use of internet. It causes depression to a student and causes them to commit suicide.
Ay, naku. Mga kabataan na naman talaga ngayon. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Back to you, Kim.
That was a good idea. Asia, Australia, and Canada, cyberbullying is one of the problems in society. 85% teachers and parents don't make any effort to stop bullying. Well, cyberbullying is a terrible and destructive thing.
After a short break, magbabalik ang MKJM News!
Warning! The following scenes contains unpredictable weirdness to the extent that only weird ones could understand and relate to such kind of fact. To those who haven't reached at least level 99 of weirdness, I advise you to please stop watching, for it might influence you to be so weird. Parents' guidance is advised. By the way, it's just bloopers.
Sinaktan, also known as Sinaktan.
Ulit!
Ulit.
Oh, ulit. Problem faced by the students that makes it.
Oh, that was insane. Well, thank you, Mom. Back to you, Kim.
Nakakarap? Ano ba? Magbabalik ang MKJM News.
Talaga yung madaya eh.
Let the trumpets blow.